Hello. Today topic of discussion is about how to convert a set file into EDF file, and then we convert this file into basically CSV. For this we have three codes here. A little bit this code is about to convert my files into EDF, and then this file and then this code will run and convert the file in set file into EDF. For firstly we have download this dataset from a link where there are two files of every set file contain two files with their ftt file and with their corresponding set file. So these both two files will be used whenever you are converting a .set extension file into edf or into csv format. For this we will start with the code. We have matlab code in which we have passed this path of file and then run this code. This code will convert the edf set file into edf. So here we go. First we add the path. These are the there you will see the conversions. In this code basically we loop through each file in the directory with the extension set file. So first file is converted .edf file, and make sure that you have two files for each user, like sub 00010035 underscore ec.ftt and their corresponding set file. So lone set file will not be converted into edf until unless we have ftt file. So this code will do nothing, but it can read the .set extension from this particular folder and then convert into edf format. So you will see that the edf corresponding edf file is converted now, because we can't read .set file directly, and we do some pre-processing on it. So that's why we need a csv format. So if you have eeg dataset have or other type of sensor dataset, then you may have a file with .set extension. So for this for this we for readable purpose or for need to pre-process it, we need to convert it into first format, which is edf format, and then we will convert edf into csv format. There may be some code which will convert .set file into directly into csv, but for time, for my analysis, for my research in which we have a .set file, then .set file will first convert into edf, and then this edf file will be converted into csv. For the time being the 25 files are converted. Right now we are in conversion process. Here you will see the edf files are generated with their corresponding .set file. In this video you will examine now the conversion is completed. All the all the .set files are converted into edf. Now we have a edf to csv code. First we have to just give the path of its library folder. Now it is ready to go. Now we have edf files in this folder, so the code will read just edf folder, edf format, and then this edf file is converted into csv. So we run this code again. Now you will see that csvs are converted, edfs are converted into csv. So you will see the first file is converted into csv. So .set file is first converted into edf, and then edf file is converted into csv. So here is the code. code just doing the finding the EDF file in my particular folder, and then this will there is there is a method, there is a function pop biosig, which will convert the file into EDF file, which will read the EDF file. And then there is a uh, basically a function. Basically we can write EEG columns and channel. We will read this EEG column and channel using these two lines: extract EEG data and channel, and then create variable names. Like that, we have in EEG data we have electrodes in it, electrodes in the columns. So for this we are doing this. So after running this code, the file will be converted into CSV. So basically we have .set file, .set file extensions, and then we have to convert these .set files into EDF, and then this code will do the rest work, in which we have EDF files, and these EDF files are converted into CSV. So this is video about the code will be given in the coding in the below link, and you will get this code and convert your .set file into CSVs. Thank you so much. Video is all from this is